The topic of our video is conversation AI bots. In this video, we will cover how we can create a simple conversation AI bot and what are the things that are needed to create a conversation bot. And I will tour you to a professional bot that is working, so you can see what are the settings in it. So that will be very helpful to you. Okay, so first of all, um most businesses, lose 70 to 80% of their leads. The problem is not that their offer is bad or the marketing is bad, but the lead is, if the lead is coming, they are overpowered because of them. If there is a bot sitting there and a lead comes, it will reply them instantly and book an appointment for you. Okay, so that's why we need to set up bots so that our businesses is running 24 by 7 and can communicate with our clients. So what is conversation AI bot? So in go high level, it is basically a smart chatbot, but it is more advanced than traditional. Why? Because it understands beyond the context. Okay, it will reply naturally, and it can book apartments for you. So you can connect it to your website chat, SMS, Facebook Messenger, Instagram DMs, and WhatsApp. So uh, I will tour you of to how to create them simply. So here you will come on AI agents sections into conversation AI, and simple. First of all, I have to what. So here you can see knowledge base. So what is the knowledge base? Knowledge base is basically the context or the data you give to the bot to train on at it. Okay, so this is the thing that you should understand. We will cover it other videos. What types of knowledge base are there? So basically, there are three types you can create a simple bot. First is a simple, it has just book appointments for you. There is so it only can be used maybe through funnels. And the second one is which can be used for Instagram DMs, WhatsApp, and a website chat. Why? Because we need real conversation people there. So this bot is a real conversation bot. Okay. Third is a more advanced level. It has visual flow builder in it. So basically, like workflows. So it is a advanced level. So if you are very familiar with workflows and prompt based bot, then you will go to this one. Okay, so if we create a simple bot, so what you want your bot to do? Simple general question answer, apartment booking, marketplace, templates. So we are looking for simply question answer. Okay. So here we have bot status, name, its status. So what do you want? Suggestive. So if you want your help with your answering to your clients, you can use bot as well. It will suggest you your answers that you can give to your clients, or you can do to Autopilot, which basically we need. Okay, and which platforms or channels you want: SMS, Instagram, Facebook, chat widget, live chat, WhatsApp, and your business location, name, etc. And this is how many messages the bot can send when it is automatically contacting a person or a lead. So here you will go there So you have to select a knowledge base. Okay, there are multiple knowledge base. For example, we can ecom test. Will save it and then we can test it. Okay, now I will tell you about some of the knowledge base. So knowledge base is of five types. Web crawler is basically you will provide the website link on the which the bot will train. It will basically scrap all the website data that is their pages. Then is fact is that you provide question and answers yourself. So it just picks if the user asks that specified question, it will just pick the answer from there and will provide it to user. Read text is basically you will provide a document form of text. Sorry, document. You will provide a large amount of textual data to it. Tables is basically you provide sheets, and file upload is if you provide any document etc to it. So these are the five knowledge bases. Then you will save it and here you can test it, send message or test your bot. Okay, so bot goals. So what are the bot goals? So basically bot goals are here you will adjust the what you need your bot to do. You will adjust its personality. You will give it instruction what you want. For example, you want to fill specific info about leads that you want to get. I will show you a real board where you will see how everything works. And see here you will see apartment booking, contact info, human handover. So you can if you want specific things. For example, if you're ordering pizza, if you are using for that purpose, or any other thing, and you want to confirm your order, the bot want to confirm your order, you can have instruction where the bot will hand over it to the human that is present there. And then is dashboard where you will see how well total actions triggers apparent book. So what is action triggered? Action triggered is that when a lead comes to, for example, it messages in your Instagram DM, that is triggered by the bot. So it will activate the bot and the bot will join the conversation with that. So I will just quickly show you a real one that is already here. So here you can see live chat, Facebook, Instagram. We are using it there. Maximum messages that it can is 25. Here you can see bot training. See, there is FAQ, read text, etc. Here you can message your bot. See, and so what is voice? Brand voice is basically the personality, how it will talk, or the tone of its messages that will be given to the client. So the tone of the voice professional. You can set as friendly, etc., etc. So the bot goals. So what are its goals? So basically, what it want to do is to collect information. What information from client? Name, email, phone number. And here you can see ask the user their name, email, phone. So add, you can add more things in it, apartment details, etc. And you can do other things as well. And additional instructions. So basically here you will give specific guidelines to it, what you want. Say maintain a casual purposeful concise tone. And this is your goal of the board. Okay, and this is dashboard. So in this video we covered how you can create a simple bot and what are the things that are needed to create a bot, how a actual bot is, and where on which platforms you can apply this bot. So in the next videos we will cover more things. So stay tuned and subscribe our channel. Thank you.